time check, it is 4:57 in the morning, and we're on the way to I&I Automods. We'll be installing something new, and get ready for the surprise. Damn, ganda. Ganda. Got the Vitour tires. Super excited. We got 285 and 295 at the rears. So not so much of a big difference from the stock, which is 275. 275 in the front, 285 in the rear. We just upsized just a little bit, just a little wider. But we downsized in the wheel size, which is from 1920 to 1919. So pretty excited to see what this can do now. It's gonna be a little bit lighter than the stock wheels. So yeah, we'll see you guys. We'll see this car tomorrow. Should be done by the end of the day, but we won't be able to pick it up today, so probably tomorrow morning. Let's go. I forgot to mention that the new tires that we have now are Vitours. So it's a Vitour P1. We're testing it out. So let's see how it goes now. Let's do a test pull now. Well, it's still definitely sliding. But we haven't broken in the tires yet. We haven't done a break-in yet. Literally, this is the first few miles or first few kilometers for the tire. So let's see if it settles in. Let's see how's the grip. And it's still pretty cold. There's no warm up. We're still city driving, so I want to see how the grip is when it's warm. Let's do another pull. Oh, it grips in second gear now. So here we are at Autoplus, and we installed the new wheels, new tires. And now we're going to be installing the hasket, the KW hasket. Autoplus will be doing that for us. And right now, this is how it looks on stock suspension. Just, you know, no camber plate, no coilovers yet, no hasket yet. Just stock suspension with new wheels and tires. The reason why the rear looks a little bit smaller is because we downsized from 20s to 19s. So the original, the stock spec of the wheels is 19s in the front, 20s at the rear. But now we downsized to 19s all around, and it's 19 by 10, 19 by 11 front and rear. 19 by 10 front, 19 by 11 at the front. 285 at the front and 295 at the rear. So even if we went wider, since we downsized to 19s, the rear rim looks a little bit smaller. So you see the wheel gap is pretty high, like almost 5 fingers. You know, you could fit almost your whole hand. And in the front, I think it's what, 4 fingers also. Well, 3 fingers, basically like 3 fingers. The car's pretty dirty, don't mind that. But that's why the rear looks a little bit higher. The rear looks higher because it's, you know, from 20s to 90s. So we'll try to offset that with a hasket, to lower the car, to eliminate the wheel gap, and of course, you know, it's gonna handle a little bit better because it's a lot lower. So the fitment's also gonna look better. Well, in short, the car will look better. Because right now it looks like a pickup. Look at it. Look at it. Looks like a pickup. You can go back. Alright. Looks like a pickup. It's crazy. Look at it. Diba? It's like so high, so we're installing a, you know, height adjustable spring kit. Basically, it's like the modern lowering springs that you can just adjust if you want it higher or lower. But you know, it's not like coilovers. So let's see how it looks. Super excited to see what we can do. Oh, and I forgot to mention the tires that we're using right now is these are Tempesta P1, and it's from Vitour. It's from the brand Vitour, and it's these new type of tires. I guess pretty new. Well, I haven't heard of it ever in my life, and I'll be experimenting on it. We'll be testing it out because one of our friends, Angelo Magtoto, is testing it out in a Supra, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's comparable to the AO52s, the Yokohama AO52s, and it's pretty good. The time's pretty close. Somewhat, it's like what, less than a second off or 1 second off. So for me, that's enough for me to test it out. It's pretty cheap, so I want to see what we can do. And since the last time we were at Clark, we were able to time around 206. Maybe with these new wheels and tires and the hasket, of course, maybe we could bring down the time to around 204s, hopefully 203, you know, realistically maybe 204s. So I'm excited for our next track session. Let's see when this car is done. I want to see how it looks. Excited. See you guys in a bit. So here's the KW hasket, height adjustable spring kit. It's basically, you know, a modern type of lowering springs where you can adjust the height. But it's not like coilovers, like you change the whole shocks. It's just springs that you can adjust in terms of height. That's why it's called height adjustable spring kit. So yeah, it looks like pretty much lowering springs, except it has this. It has this. That's the only difference that it has from the lowering springs. This one. So you attach this to the, you attach this to the stock shocks, stock dampers. So yeah, let's see how it looks. Damn, it looks so much better. I mean, it's not so low, but the front is definitely a lot better. The rear is also a lot better. The rear isn't super low, but you know, it fits the wheel gap a lot better now. Like from 5, now it's like 2.5. It's basically 2, so it's a good drop. Also the front from 3 to 2. From 4 in the front, now it's 2 fingers. From the back, for the back, it was 5 fingers now to 2, so it's pretty good. Damn, it looks so much better now. Nice. Here you go, 3. Oh, go boom sina.